Oh. Crispiness with the sauce, a hint of spiciness, savouriness, and a little bit of tanginess. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Singapore-style chili crab using prawns. So let's start cooking. Now we'll deep fry our mantou or buns. Now make sure that oil is hot. How do we know that? Just using a bamboo chopstick or skewer, put it inside the oil, and if you see bubbles rising slowly like this, that means the oil is hot enough. Please use medium-low heat because mantou contains sugar and they will burn very fast if the heat is too high. So now we just add in our mantou. The portion that I'm cooking today is for 4. Of course, if you are a big eater, you want to eat more buns, by all means do so. Now keep turning them around because they brown pretty fast. Okay, we just want to fry them until they are golden brown throughout. If the heat is too high, please turn down the heat. If you can get those smaller mantou, by all means do so. I can't get it today, so I'm using the bigger type. If you do not want to fry your mantou, you can actually air fry them also. Right, just use about 180 degrees Celsius, spray a little bit of oil on the mantou, and then just air fry them for approximately 10 minutes or so. Okay, we are more or less done. Just a little bit more. I can feel that they are actually crisping up already. Right? So this is what we want. Now, important thing is do not turn off the heat first. We must remove all the mantou before we turn off the heat so that the oil will not be lodged inside the mantou. Okay, so once you're done with this, we'll turn off the heat, remove most of the oil, leaving behind 1 or 2 tablespoons for us to cook our prawns. Now we'll put our dish together, heat up your wok, add in a suitable amount of oil, swirl the oil around a little bit, just to coat your wok. I'm using medium heat so you can do the same. Add in half a medium-sized onion, minced like this. If you have a bigger onion, then just use 1/4. We'll fry them until it's a little bit translucent and you can smell the beautiful fragrance from the onion. Just move them around. Now remember, if the heat is too high for you, just turn it down a little. I can start to smell the onion. Now we add in our garlic. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. 3 grams of dried shrimp that I've rehydrated and chopped into small pieces like this. Just pour everything in. Fry them until you can smell the beautiful fragrance from all these beautiful ingredients that we added in. Just turn down the heat a little. If it starts to get too hot, when you see too much smoke, just turn down the heat. You want to get the fragrance out from the onions, the garlic, as well as the dried shrimp. This dish is a good substitute for all of you who don't like crabs but still wants the sauce of a chili crab. Now I can turn the heat up, back again to medium. I can start to smell the beautiful fragrance from these ingredients that I've added in. Now we add in half a tablespoon of your favorite chili sauce or chili paste. I'm using this brand known as Taiho, but you can use any other brands that you like. And add in 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix them all up together. Fry them for like 10-20 seconds just to mix it up. Ooh, it's smelling really good. Now we add in water, 300 milliliters of water. To balance up the taste, add in half a teaspoon of sugar. If you like it sweeter, you can add in a little bit more. Mix up well. We'll put the lid on, turn the heat up to medium-high, and let's get this to a boil before we add in our prawns. Now our sauce is boiling, we'll add in our prawns. I'm adding in 500 grams of prawns that I've cut off the horn, as well as split open like this to devein it. Just pour everything in. Spread them out a little bit. Put the lid back on. And we'll cook this for approximately 4 minutes to 5 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 4 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, look at how pretty this is. Give them a light stir first. Now we'll thicken up the sauce with cornstarch solution. Now don't thicken it way too much because we are going to add in 1 beaten egg later. Something like this would be very nice. Now we add in our beaten egg. Turn the heat off. Give this a light stir. And it's time for our lunch. Beautiful. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells really, really good. I'm going to try the crispy mantou with the sauce first and dip it. Oh. Crispiness with the sauce, a hint of spiciness, savoriness, and a little bit of tanginess. Let me try the prawn. Don't mind me, I'm using my hand. Oh. Oh. All the goodness of a chili crab, the flavor definitely inside here, but without the hassle of breaking the crab shells. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, 好吃, very good.